Bitcoin's about to close a weekly candle in less than 24 hours, guys. And depending on where this candle closes, we could actually head all the way back up to $64,000 as our next target. So today, I'll be telling you about the exact trade setup that I am looking for in order to capture this big, beautiful move to the upside. And what's up, you guys? Welcome to the Mango Grove. My name is Krisha, and this is today's Bitcoin analysis video. I have Sean next to me today. Sean, say hello to everybody.
Good morning, everyone. Krisha, wearing pink today.
Yes, sirree. Pink loves me. I love pink. It's a great freaking day. Sean, today I'm a bit excited. We are closing weekly soon. I want to jump right into the trade setup, but let's go over the agenda. We're first going to talk about, all the resistances that we have overhead, and that resistance point, essentially, that Bitcoin needs to clear in order to trigger our trade setup. Only then can we really jump into the trade setup.
One of those resistance levels has been claimed by the bulls. So we have an interesting update over there leading into the weekly close. So we kind of have a get ready signal, right? Especially the time frame. That's the get ready time frame.
Exactly, and that's why we want to focus on the upside play today. Okay, so let's go over it. Let's jump right into the meat of this. So first off, what was the first two resistance points that we had presented you guys with? It was on the same time frame, guys, a 3-day time frame. We spoke about cloud resistance overhead. Let's go ahead and mark that out for ourselves. Okay, cloud resistance coming in at around 31.3K. But what was that second region of resistance? It was the 200 simple moving average. Sean, we have cleared the 200 simple moving average. Okay, guys, we took it out, and we took it out with conviction. Now, this is the second candle currently hovering over the 200 simple moving average. And this is also like an inclination as to why I'm leading a bit more bullish right now on this current consolidation.
You guys would know that this is one of my favorite plays, right? A move from the bottom of the cloud to the top of the cloud while the 200 moving average comes into the cloud as well, right? At that point, you're looking for two things to happen, guys. You're looking for price to clear the 200 moving average as well as the cloud resistance. If we had seen a rejection on the 200 moving average, at that point, you look for price to trickle back down to the bottom of the cloud. However, we've cleared the 200 moving average, right? So that's your get ready signal. That's your get ready signal for the Kumo break. The cloud break, guys, is called the Kumo break. So if we get that now, that's going to be the trade to the upside is on. Cloud is green as well, guys. That was the ultra get ready signal, right? Because remember, the cloud is forward priced, guys, right? So even though you're seeing it green over here, it actually flipped green all the way over here, right? Somewhere around this region was giving us a signal that, hey, the trend on the higher time frames is beginning to switch. So this pullback was one big opportunity.
Oh, man. And yeah, that's the thing, right? The thing about the cloud, I did not catch that, Sean, until you freaking mentioned it. So the cloud was telling us that, hey, time to get in. Now, yeah, we're up against resistance still, but we managed to take out one of the four that we were looking at. Now, what were the other two key points of resistance that we were looking at? Well, that is going to be found on your weekly time frame. So get on over to your weekly time frame. Once again, just go ahead and switch on your Ichimoku cloud. Now, I have gotten rid of the Tenkin, the Kijun. I've just kept the cloud on because it is the most pivotal point of this current picture. What we are up against right now, guys, is cloud resistance. Okay, cloud resistance, you can literally go smack a line on cloud resistance to really bring that to the forefront, and you'll see that price is currently hovering right underneath that level. And historically, that even marked the breakdown point from the bull market into the bear market, right? We broke the cloud support.
That was the
right
nail
here.
in the coffin right over there. And Krisha, I do want to give you massive props for drawing everyone's attention over and over again on this cloud resistance level. And just to drive the point through, let's go ahead and zoom out now, guys, and take a look at the historical importance of this level. Look at how well the bulls and the bears have respected this level, guys. On the upside, while Bitcoin was having its parabolic run from 10K to 60K, we broke past this level, retested it, and then pushed for 2x. This move over here, guys, from around 30,000 to the all-time highs was a 100% move. Well, the market said, okay, you know what? This has run a bit too hot. Let's pull back. Let's end this bear market. And then the market was like, okay, this market is clearly done. Let's start taking profits. And we sold off aggressively. And where did we find the pickup? At the 30,000 level yet again. And this push, the next push, was pretty aggressive again. 120% move. And this is one of the concepts I teach in Seed, right? When you see the market push off a level, right? When you see a push off a level, that is an important level to keep an eye on. And it wasn't just the bulls pushing off this level, it was the bears pushing off this level too. As soon as Bitcoin broke that level, a massive 50% dump, right? Now, we are back up against this level, guys. We don't know if we're going to break. All we are saying is that if this level breaks, take it seriously. Take it seriously. If you're short, you want to start hedging, closing out those positions, and protecting yourself. If you're under allocated at this point, you really want to ask yourself, am I trading for the short-term moves, or am I trading for the most cyclical play that Bitcoin is going to have over the next months, maybe even years, right? If you're a short-term trader, you don't want to be FOMOing into anything that happens at this level. By all means, just be patient. But if you're a long-term trader, at this point, you are inherently short if you are under allocated.
So we are not short, of course. We're looking for the upside move on Bitcoin here if we get that break on the level, right? So now with this, I think this is a great segue into, well, the trade setup, the mango trade of the day, right? Because there's a lot going on in this picture. It's a beautiful, beautiful picture. It's a macro level. But now what else did we talk about in our last, in our last video with you guys? We said that, okay, we're up against this key region of resistance, but not only is it a key region of resistance and cloud resistance, but we're also drawing in this bullish pattern right here, right? This is a beautiful, beautiful cup and handle like formation. And the neckline lines up with that key region of resistance that we're looking at. Our $64,000 target, all the way up to the all-time highs, is actually lining up with the measured move of this cup and handle like formation, okay? If we break this and we meet that measured move, you need to understand that the measured move will take us all the way up to $65,000 per Bitcoin. That's where that target is coming in.
That symmetry is nuts. Guys, I want to re-emphasize the importance of technical analysis over relying on fundamental analysis. People who are relying on FA missed out on this entire move from around 16K all the way up to 30K, right? So yes, FA is important. I love FA. Krisha loves FA. A lot of people in Mango love FA. But FA is more for the 4-year and the 5-year time frame, guys. If you really want to protect yourself and capture moves and actually capture wealth, you gotta learn technical analysis. And the past few months has proven that.
All right, so now I think this is going to be a good segue into the mango trade of the day. We had presented the same trade setup in the last video. Of course, things stay status quo. I'm not changing the entry. I'm not changing the targets. I'm not changing the invalidation, guys. This is a reminder to tell you what to look out for on tomorrow's close. Now, once again, our critical level that we ought to look at, everybody, guys, write this down if you have to, $31,359, smack it on your charts. What I personally am looking for here, 31K, I'm looking for 2 candle closes over that level, okay? As soon as I get that, that is my trigger. Now, the targets, guys, remain the same. We have 2 targets to this trade setup. Okay, and both are hinged on the weekly time frame. Let's get on over to that very quickly. And target 1 comes in at the top of the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, we're looking at an entire zone right there for price action. Okay, going in from $42,000 all the way down to 39K. Even from where price is at right now to that range, that's going to be a good 35% to the upside as target 1. Okay, T1 for target 1. As far as target 2 is concerned, I mean, you guys already know this. Come on, now we have the cup and handle play, which takes us all the way back up to $65,000 per Bitcoin, which is a 2x from here. Okay, that, my friends, is target 2. All right, these are the 2 targets that we're looking at. Now, as far as our invalidation on this trade setup is concerned, I'm keeping it simple. We're up against a macro level. Just keep it simple, stupid, right? My entry is going to be my invalidation as well. If I start seeing 2 candle closes underneath this 31.3K level on the 2-day time frame again, all right, I have been invalidated on my trade. Very, very, very simple. Keep it simple, stupid. The more simple your parameters are, the more easy it is for you to follow your rules and your parameters. Okay, so once again, 2 candle closes underneath this level on the 2-day time frame means invalidated on my trade.
Now remember guys, this is pretense on us actually breaking past all these resistance levels that we outlined for you guys in today's video, right? We have the neckline over here. We also have the 3-day cloud resistance. We haven't cleared these levels just yet. So while things are getting excited, don't jump the gun, because there's a decent probability that we see a pullback over here. And we outlined a trade setup for you guys for the pullback trade in our previous videos. Now we will revisit that trade idea in tomorrow's video, but for now you guys need to be focused on the upside risk, right? In case Bitcoin breaks up, how do you react to that? But if you guys want to make sure that you don't miss the trade setup coming up in tomorrow's video, make sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification icon, because we will be going over that once again.
Cool beans. Now, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, and we'll see you guys in the next update. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.